Hello, and welcome to our professional training session. It's great to have you with us. The planning stage is the foundation of any project. If the foundation is not solid, the project may require additional money, time, or other resources, and the overall experience may be below expectations. The mobile app plays a key role during the on-site implementation stage. It is required to perform basically all of the final commissioning tasks, from automatic adding of devices to the network, through device configuration, to sensor calibration and deployment of EnOcean switches. Energy harvesting EnOcean devices are extremely convenient for manual control or scene selection. However, since they cannot directly communicate over the mesh, they require devices in the network to act as EnOcean adapters to forward their traffic. Profiles define lighting control scenarios that reflect some of the most energy-efficient and most commonly used lighting control strategies. Many predefined profiles exist, with behaviors that are commonly used in these types of spaces. These include corridor profiles, conference room profiles, and so on. We reuse profiles so that any changes can be quickly propagated throughout the whole network. Another available scenario is occupancy sensing with daylight harvesting. When deployed, all luminaires are switched on automatically to the defined light level when motion is detected. They are switched off automatically when no motion is detected for a given time, or when there is sufficient daylight available. Each profile has multiple configurable parameters. Profile parameters are set when devices are added to the network, but can also be adjusted later on. The list of available parameters depends on the scenario used and may include fade times, timeout periods, or light levels for different states of the lighting controller.